This summer from SyFy Pictures comes one of the most original, one of the most frightening, one of the most mixed up creatures you'll ever see. And it's here to kill your ass.
It's a piranha! No, it's a Pirahnasaur. No, it's a Pirahnasaur.
Starring Richard Norton.
Suit up, boys. We're going fishing.
And Cynthia Rothrock. And Sir Ian McKellen.
You shall not pass.
This resort in Bulgaria is about to get wet.
That was sexual. Get a hold of yourself, mate.
This movie is so good, you'll forget that half of the cast was paid with a Chili's gift certificate.
Damn, he's good. We'll keep an eye out for you, Stingray. What are we gonna do?
You won't want to miss this shit. Pirahnasaur, it's that damn good. Rated X.